Okay, here I am out on my city up there in front of me. See the river over here, the River Thames. And I'm not sure we can see the hotel from here. There it is, I think. This big old dog coming at me. Hello.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yeah, I don't think you can quite see I think the hotel is up there behind some of those big buildings.